Hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video I will discuss about the IHM Jaipur. Guys, if you want to take admission in IHM Jaipur, then you need to give NCHM CET JEE examination. So all about IHM Jaipur I will discuss. So basically Jaipur is a capital of Rajasthan. It is also called as पिंक सिटी ऑफ द राजस्थान स्टेट. ओके, सो IHM जयपुर के बारे में हम लोग देखेंगे. वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस कोर्सेस इन IHM जयपुर, हाउ मच मार्क्स इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट द एडमिशन इन IHM जयपुर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी विल सी कैंपस टूर. बेसिकली किचन लैब कैसे है, हॉस्टल्स कैसे है, कंप्यूटर लैब है या नहीं, लाइब्रेरी कैसे है, प्लेसमेंट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, कौन कौन से कंपनीज यहाँ पे आके स्टूडेंट्स को रिक्रूट करते हैं एंड हाउ मच सैलरी package they get. All these things we will discuss. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for NCHM CET JEE ECHAT IHM Aurangabad. So in this batches you will get live class, classroom coaching, books, shortcut trick, doubt class, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test. WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties. 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454 or you can also visit to our website manvaredu.com/hotel management entrance examination. And guys, we have also given the Google form link in the description, so do check the description and fill your details in that form and our counselor will get back to you for all the details of the batches for NCHM CET JEE. Now guys, let us discuss about the IHM Jaipur. So very first, IHM Jaipur was established in 1989. Before it was just a food craft institute. Okay, food craft institute was associated with Ministry of Agriculture and the institute is affiliated to National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology, the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Okay, so previously as it was food craft institute, so it was associated with Ministry of Agriculture. Now as in 1989 it was promoted as a institute of hotel management, then it is associated with Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Okay, now BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration degree was awarded by IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and the course is conducted by NCHM CET. Okay, now IHM Jaipur started giving a student the option to choose only vegetarian cooking. बहुत सारे students जो होते हैं वो vegetarian होते हैं and they don't want to cook non-veg foods due to various aspects. So IHM Jaipur is one of the IHM who give option to the student for vegetarian cooking. So this is about the IHM Jaipur. Now let us discuss about the courses in IHM Jaipur. So if I talk about courses, then BSc Hospitality and Hotel Administration, they have total 243 seats, and after that Master in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, they have total 32 seats. And if I talk about diploma courses, so they have total 260 seats, and in this diploma courses they have courses like Diploma in Food Production, Diploma in Food and Beverages Services, Diploma in Front Office Operation, Diploma in Housekeeping, Diploma in Bakery and Confectionery. So 260 seats is distributed in all these diploma courses. And another course is also there, that is Hunar Se Rozgar, 6 to 8 week Skill India course it is there, and those who are 8th standard pass or 10th standard pass, so they can enroll for this particular course. And if I talk about cutoff for IHM Jaipur, so you need to score 500 plus marks, okay, to get admission in IHM Jaipur. Now if I talk about campus tour, so in the IHM Jaipur what are the things are there? So they have good campus area and a fully air conditioned library also there. They also have very good kitchen lab facility with respect to all the sections like food production, food and beverages, everything. They have good dining hall, computer lab, and boys and girls hostels also they have separately. So IHM Jaipur has all those things which is required by the hotel management students. Okay, now if I talk about recruiting companies, so recruiting companies like ITC Limited, Radisson, Bikanerwala, Reliance Retail, Dalila, Oberoi, McDonald's, Cinepolis, IHG, JP Group, Domino's Pizza, Nando's, Haldiram and Tommy Hilfiger. So these all are the recruiting companies who recruit the IHM Jaipur students. And if I talk about salary package, Then salary package of IHM Jaipur student is highest is 5 lakh per annum, average is 4 lakh, and lowest is 1.5 lakh per annum. Guys, let me tell you one thing, these all salary package will depend how you have performed in your academic, how much score you have got, in which company you have done your internship, and how you have performed in the placement interview. So all these parameters will decide your salary package. Now if you want to get admission in IHM Jaipur, then you need to give NCHM CET JEE examination. For that you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number, our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. Okay, you can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles I have given into the description box, so do check the description box. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination, so you can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.